National Cancer Awareness Day is celebrated in India on 7th November to educate people about cancer, its treatment, its symptoms, and its preventive measures. Let us learn more about that.
Medically, cancer is known as malignant neoplasm. According to WHO, cancer is second leading cause of deaths globally, accounting for an estimation of 9.6 million deaths or 1 in 6 according to studies on 30th August 2020. Our body has more than 100 billion cells. Most of the body cells have specific functions and fixed lifespans. A cell receives instructions to die so that the body can replace it with a newer cell that functions better. Cancerous cells lack the components that instruct them to stop dividing and to die. As a result, they build up in the body using oxygen and nutrients that could usually nourish other cells. Cancerous cells can form tumors, impair the immune system, and cause other changes that prevent the body from functioning regularly. Cancerous tumors are of two types, benign and malignant. Benign tumors are non-cancerous. The tumor slips when touched or rubbed and has pain. It does not spread. Malignant tumor is cancerous. It will not slip when rubbed and does not have any pain. These spread rapidly to other areas, disrupting RNA and DNA of normal cells. These cells act as viruses. There are over 200 types of cancers. Doctors classify cancer by its location in the body and the tissues that it forms in. Sarcomas develop in bones or soft tissues, while carcinomas form in cells that cover internal or external surfaces of the body. Doctors usually describe treatment based on the type of cancer, its stage, diagnosis, and the person's overall health. Chemotherapy, radiation therapy, immunotherapy, stem cell transplantation are the main treatments in cancer. Targeted therapies perform functions within cancerous cells to prevent them from multiplying. Precision medicine or personalized medicine is a newer developing approach. Cancer can be detected by undergoing treatments such as biopsy, CT scan, MRI scan, blood test, bone marrow, and liver function tests. Cancer can occur at any age, but 67% of cancer deaths occur in people above 65 years. Cancer can be mostly cured if diagnosed in first and second stages. Warning signs of cancer includes unexplained weight loss, fatigue, night sweats, loss of appetite, new persistent pain, recurrent nausea, blood in urine, and blood in stool. Diet and obesity cause 30 to 35% of cancers. 15 to 20% cancers are caused due to infections. Other causes are radiation, stress, lack of physical activity, and environmental pollutants. Over last few decades, the number of chemicals added to foods and other products has skyrocketed. We have created all sorts of plastics used in innumerable ways. A can of corn, pizza, a reusable water bottle, a bright green yogurt contain food additives that can be more dangerous to children. So, we should avoid plastics with numbers 3, 6 and 7. Also, We should avoid chemically laden processed foods, coloring agents, exposure to X-ray and radiation. Also, we should avoid smoking, chewing tobacco, consuming alcohol, and exposure to sunlight. Many synthetic chemicals found in cosmetics, body washes, deodorants, shampoos, nail polish lotions are known to be endocrine disruptors and linked in the risk of breast cancer. Also, women using permanent hair dyes and straighteners are 9% more likely to get breast cancer. Prevention is better than cure. So, eating a healthy, nutritious diet, exercising regularly, minimizing exposure to radiation and toxic chemicals prevents us from getting cancer. Not only that, spacing out 8 to 12 hours between two meals kill the cancerous cells, as cancerous cells cannot survive without food. Above all, if we follow healthy lifestyle, keeping our body and mind free from stress, strain and negative thoughts, these cancerous cells cannot flourish. Educating oneself, doing research before buying and consuming anything is always wise. We have one life and one body worth crores of rupees. If we don't take care of it now, later we may have to pay for it.
Let us support the fighters, admire the survivors, honor the taken, and never ever give up the hope.